What is the approximate value of pi, commonly used for calculations? Pi is approximately 3.14. What is the C unit of force? The Newton is the C unit of force. How many days are in a leap year? A leap year has 366 days. What is the smallest prime number? The smallest prime number is 2. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? Triangle interior angles sum to 180 degrees. Approximately, what is the speed of light in a vacuum? Speed of light is about 300,000 km/s. How many minutes are there in 5 hours? Five hours is 300 minutes 5x 60. What is a googol? A googol is 10 to the power of 100. What shape is the cross-section of a sphere? Any cross-section of a sphere is a circle. How many sides does a nonagon have? A nonagon has 9 sides. What force keeps objects from floating away from Earth? Gravity pulls objects towards Earth. What mathematical constant is approximately 3.14159? Pi is approximately 3.14159. What geometric shape has all points equidistant from a central point? A circle's points are equidistant from its center. Which of Newton's laws of motion states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction? This is Newton's third law of motion. How many seconds are in a single solar day? A day has 86,400 seconds. What type of numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13? Prime numbers are only divisible by 1 and themselves. What is the sum of the internal angles of a Euclidean triangle? A Euclidean triangle's angles sum to 180 degrees. How many degrees are in a right angle? A right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. What is the approximate value of pi commonly used? Pi is commonly approximated as 3.14. What is the fastest speed known in the universe? The speed of light is the universe's ultimate speed limit. How often does a leap year typically occur? A leap year adds an extra day to February every 4 years. How many dimensions does a cube have? A cube is a three-dimensional geometric shape. Which fundamental force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity is the force that attracts objects with mass. How many seconds are in 1 hour? There are 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. Which famous theorem relates the sides of a right-angled triangle? The Pythagorean theorem at plus b2 equals c2 applies to right triangles. What principle in physics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transform? The law of conservation of energy is a fundamental principle in physics. What is the only even prime number? Two is the only even prime number. What mathematical constant is represented by the Greek letter pi pi? Pi is the ratio of circumference to diameter. A polygon with 8 sides is known as what? An octagon has 8 sides. Which physicist developed the theory of general relativity? Einstein developed general relativity. Which of the following years was a leap year? The year 2000 was a leap year. In scientific notation, what power of 10 does the prefix giga represent? Giga means 10 to the power of 9. What is the approximate speed of light in a vacuum? Light travels about 300,000 kilometers per second. What is the sum of the interior angles of any triangle? Triangle angles sum to 180. What is the name for a three-dimensional shape with identical faces, edges, and vertices like a cube? Regular polyhedra are uniform 3D shapes. Thanks for playing. Don't forget to subscribe.